I mean, at least it's not on 0.
How many did you get, Warren?
Only 2.
2 is better than none.
How many did you get?
I got 69.
69. Sorry, Mr. Popular.
I can't reach it.
Oh, hold on, I'll get it for you.
Thank you.
Pringles. Good choice. Yeah.
They're my favourite.
My number just went up. I guess I just have to be nicer to people. Whoa. I went up again? But I haven't even spoken to anyone. What?
Oh my god, he's so hot.
Oh my god. Whoa, what's going on? Why is everyone staring at me?
Warren, I think you should see this.